Hi guys, this is your boy Martin and welcome to brand new series, Tuesday short videos. Today I'm rebuilding this beautiful Can-Am Spyder F3 limited special series that we have for our tour and rental agency in Europe. And very first thing I would like to talk about it, in case you have a top case on your F3 models or RT20 Plus, this is something that you might not know that it exists, or maybe you haven't seen really like how it looks on the bike. It's an organizer. It will sound maybe ridiculous, but I always wanted to have an organizer in case I will have a Spyder like this. So today what you will find out is very quickly a review about it. We will throw it in, so installation video. You will see like how it looks on the bike and what I can squeeze in. And actually, that's a top tip. I will tell you what are the two or three items that I never leave on the road, and neither my guests will leave on the road without. And last but not least, I will show you one more organizer that you can throw in on your Can-Am F3. So enough of this. First 500 views, no video ads, no bullshit around, straight to the point. Tuesday short new series. And now guys, enough of this. Let's get started. So are you ready? A review. Now this is a little bit like that more luxurious, like more expensive version. I'm pretty sure if you will go for some random organizers, you can find something on Chinese websites. This is actually from Hopnell, so big bike parts from America. We have it on our shop, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, and it's designed to fit RT20 Plus or F3 models with the top case. Now, what is in there? I mean, the quality, it's in there, either it's a paper or plastic that is inside, not important. Leather-like looking from the back, but all animals are safe because it's artificial. And now the thing is, what for me it's more important is that it contains two pockets. One it's super stretchy, one it's stretchy. The other one you can like log or close. And there are two more like rubber ties or whatever, so you can insert there a pen or whatever. We'll use it for cables. Now, what I would like to say is that the part that it should be tough and strong, it's tough and strong. It's not a sales pitch, but simply like it will not stretch. So the quality is there. So that's a textile that should not stretch and it's not stretching. The part that it should be stretchy, it's stretchy enough. From the back, you have a twin tape. And like it's the dry zipper or whatever you call it, so you can remove it at any time. And from my experience, it will stick on the bike without using the bolts, but I'll show it to you right now. Come with me how to install it. I mean, it's ridiculous to say it's installation, but Torx 320 and I use technical petrol to, you know, degrease your area. So do the whole of this area because we will be using twin tape. Undo the bolt. I recommend to do one bolt at a time. And now it's up to you if you would like to use the stickers or not, but we will do it. Now, what are the three things that I never leave on the road without? And maybe one more thing towards installation. Every time you do something with a 3M tape or twin tape and you're sticking something to your bike, this is not so important, but in general, have the room temperature and not your plastics cold because it will not work properly. This is different case. I mean, it will stick there very good. So what are the three items? Item number one, we also do sell it on our shop. It's a tire repair kit. I have it from Slime. I don't ship worldwide because it contains compressed air, whereas like a I don't know if I can use it on YouTube, like bump. So like this. And maybe you are thinking, okay, I'm not skilled enough to repair my tire in case we will go flat, or you will go on, or you will have a flat tire. Don't worry, you will definitely stop somebody around, and they will help you. It's good to have this repair kit, and I will never leave on the road. We are going to Albania. We're going to Montenegro next year. We will tour Slovakia and abandoned roads. You don't want to be stuck somewhere in the middle of nowhere. In case you will be touring Europe, always have. In case you are two, we will have two. This is the West. It's a must-have. But it's not that important. Cables for charging, because our F3 Limited has a charger USB port. One thing I have left in my warm warehouse are the batteries, and one special thing, I never leave on the road without this or this or this. It's basically different size of the power bank, but it's not only a power bank, it also can kickstart your battery. So somebody will leave the key, turn on or whatever. I am free in my mind that they will be able to kickstart the bike at any moment. That bloody small thing can kickstart diesel engine up to, I believe, 5 liters, which is insane. And anytime you can charge your phone when you go after the long riding and your phone is off and you are on a lunch or dinner or whatever, you know what I'm saying. So power bank, and in the same time, it is your kickstart battery unit. Now guys, I think this is pretty much it. Tuesday short videos. In case you like this, like, thumbs up, subscribe, notifications on, whatever. Visit MartinTheVlogger.com, the largest vlog about Can-Am on-road vehicles in the world, period. And tourson3.com in case you would like to ride Europe on 3 wheels with me as a tour guide, or self-guided tours, 4 Rykers, 2 Spyders. Yeah, MartinTheVlogger.com, everything is in there. Tourson3.com, everything is in there. And now guys, remember, buy yourself organizer or not, it's up to you, but always have fun. I almost forgot. In case you would like to be organized, honestly, I will not throw this in because we will use the frunk different way. But in case you would like to be organized and you do not have a top case on your F3, we have the very same organizer for your frunk. Top tip, is it? I don't know.